Let's have a quick look at how to send video messages on Telegram on the iPhone. Let's dive right into it. First of all, open up the Telegram application. Then at the bottom, make sure that Chats is selected. Next, tap on the chat in which you would like to send the video message in. Then in the lower right corner of the screen, you will either see this camera icon like this, or you will see a microphone icon. You can switch between these two by simply tapping on it. So now it's in camera mode, for example, and to switch to microphone mode, simply tap on it. If you tap on it again, it will switch to video mode. To record a video now, we obviously need to be in camera mode like this. Now to record a video, simply tap and hold this icon right here, and you can then start recording. If you tap on this icon right here on the left side, you can also flip the camera. Once you're done recording, simply release the finger, and your video will then be sent in the chat. And this is how you send video messages on Telegram on the iPhone. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe for more Telegram tutorials.